Hey folks, welcome to another tutorial by Python Shorts. This is a short tutorial. This one will be extra short. This is just about printing. We're going to make the very first classic program that every programmer learns for every language first. We're going to print the words "Hello World." So basically all you have to do is write the word print, open parentheses, put in a single quote or double quote, and type hello, comma, world, and then you're going to go to run, and there it is, hello world. So just to make things just a little bit more interesting, we're going to set a variable called x, and we're going to set it equal to hello world. So now you can print the variable name instead of typing that every time. So if we wanted to print things related to Hello World multiple times, now we wouldn't have to type it in every time. So if we run this, it should give us 2 Hello Worlds. There we go. And now, I guess one more thing to show is just how you can add more strings to what you're printing. So we could say x plus, and then let's add some exclamation points, and then we're going to say plus a space, then we're going to say plus x. So you can just do as many of these kinds of things as you want. So we could do that, and that's going to print, yeah, a bunch of stuff. Yeah, so that's the basics of printing. It just prints things into your output, and so you can have it print whatever you want. Sometimes it's really useful in your programming to use print as a way to troubleshoot. So if you're not sure, if you've made this big complex program and you're not sure what it's looking at or what kind of output it's creating, you can print it and then you can see it whenever you run your program. That's all I've got for you guys. This is a nice short one. Have a good day, and if you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll talk to you later. Bye.